So I'm in the Rainforest Cafe at Disneyland Paris, and these elephants come to life. So they move. It's really, really nice in Exeter. That's so funny. I meant it's really nice in Disneyland Paris. I said it's really nice in Exeter. I'm not going back to Exeter till tomorrow. So I'm in London tonight. Actually, it's the next day because they get back till it's a Thursday. I meant it's really lovely in here, Disneyland Paris. Rainforest Cafe. It's incredible. And lots of fun in here. I love eating in here. Look at all the monkeys and things swinging from the trees.